Need some decor ideas for Thanksgiving? I've got them for you coming up in a sec. Hey Remodelaholics, welcome back to our DIY channel. Today I'm going to show you some really great, easy Thanksgiving crafts and decor that you can use at your next Thanksgiving meal. So, I have these planter things full of rocks. I'm going to keep filling it in around this little tree. This is just gravel that I had from a gravel bag, and these are decorative rocks from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cover it with the decorative rocks so it gives it a little more support and it just looks a little prettier. Perfect. Okay. So that is the start to our Thanksgiving trees. I collected a bunch of leaves from around my yard, and when I brought them in, I stuck them under a pile of books so that they could be a little bit flatter and easier to write on. If your leaves are already dry, you might want to skip this step because it just may crush them. To start the trees, you want to create some of the leaves for yourself. Using a gold Sharpie, write some simple statements about things you are thankful for. Tie some pretty ribbon or twine onto the leaf stem and then hang those leaves onto the branches of your trees. Having some leaves hung on the branches will help your guests know what they need to do and invite them to add to the trees. Here are the leaves, and I am just going to kind of spread them out. Different colors and different kinds, all under the little trees by the strings. Super cute. Then, to get people started, I'm going to have a couple leaves hung up and some Sharpies sitting around. So I will have a black Sharpie and a gold Sharpie over here. And if you have little kids who like to draw and stuff, don't leave Sharpies out. Just saying. I really like the gold pens. I think it's just super nice. So if you can get gold Sharpies, I think that would be worth it. And you don't have to tie these on tight. They can just kind of hang there. And I'm just tying a quick square knot. And I don't mind that the trees aren't exactly the same, because what tree is exactly the same in nature? Okay, so such a simple, elegant way to decorate your table by having two little branches stuck into gravel in a pot, and then collecting leaves, beautiful leaves if you can from your yard, and using gold Sharpies to write things you're thankful for and inviting your family to do the same.